Now that the nodes have been paired with the gateway, let's install them on the fence. There are a few things you will need to take with you alongside the supplied node mounting kits and mag key. These are an impact driver with a posi drive screw bit and an 8mm hex socket, 10mm spanner, wire cutters and strippers, 2 to 3 meters of insulated underground cable per node, 2 joint clamps per node, a 20 to 30 centimeter earth rod per node. This can be any thin metal rod such as a 3mm tent peg, cable ties, a mobile phone with the Datamars Livestock app installed, a pair of binoculars to help establish clear line of sight between the nodes. You will also need to know the direction of the midday summer sun. A compass or compass app on a mobile phone can help with this. Once you've collected everything, make sure you've turned off the electric fence in the areas you'll be installing the nodes. Open the Datamars Livestock mobile app and tap Install Nodes to begin the installation process. Drive to the location where the first node should be installed. Tap Next on the app. Remember the node should be within 500 meters line of sight to the gateway. The distance will be reduced if there are any objects in the way, such as trees, hills, or structures. Use the binoculars to assist you in ensuring you have line of sight to the gateway. Tap Next on the app to proceed. Tap the mag key on the reset symbol to wake the node. The LED light will flash green as it tries to find a fence monitoring network to connect to, such as a gateway or other installed nodes. If the LED flashes green and red, then the node has not found any nearby gateway or installed nodes, and you will need to move to a closer location or one with better line of sight. If, however, the LED changes to flash green and blue, the node has identified a network. Tap Next on the app to continue. While the green and blue LED is flashing, tap the switch symbol using the mag key to connect the node to the network. When the green and blue LEDs stop flashing and stay on for 5 seconds, the node has successfully connected. After this, they will change to blinking once every 20 seconds. Tap Next in the app and it's time to install the node on the fence. Nodes can be installed on a wooden post or steel Y-post using the holes in the mounting rod. To install on a wooden post, take the hex head screws supplied and drive them through the long slits on the mounting rod as high as possible on the fence post. Fit the node onto the mounting rod, ensuring that the panel faces the midday summer sun. For optimum performance, the solar panel should not be subject to shade at any time of the day across all seasons. Secure the node to the mounting rod by inserting the pan posi screw into the smallest hole at the top of the mounting rod. Cut about 1/2 meter of insulated underground cable and strip 20 millimeters of insulation at both ends. Use a joint clamp to connect one end of the cable to the normally live electric fence wire. Then connect the other end to the fence terminal on the node by inserting it on the right side of the bolt between the washer and the node, then tighten it finger tight. Push a 20 to 30 centimeter earth rod into the ground beside the fence post in a location where animals won't interfere with it. The top should protrude just out of the ground. Cut about 1.5 meters of insulated underground cable and strip 20 millimeters of insulation at both ends. Use a joint clamp to connect one end of the cable to the earth rod. Connect the other end to the earth terminal on the node by inserting it on the left side of the bolt between the washer and the node, then tighten it finger tight. Use cable ties to secure the earth cable to the fence post. Once the installation is completed, tap Next in the app, then Yes in the pop-up. Scan the QR code on the side of the node, enter a name for the node, and then set the node location using the phone's GPS. Drive to the location of the next node and begin the installation process for the next and all remaining nodes. Remember, these will need to be installed either within 500 meters line of sight of the gateway or another node. Once completed, turn on the fence.